The car in the shop, tooth on fire. Yeah. Well, I woke up late, dog chewed my boot, coffee pot's busted and I'm fresh out of fruit. Truck wouldn't crank, just let out a wheeze like it caught the flu or some redneck disease. Mechanic said, boy, you're out of luck. That ain't a fix, that's a whole new truck. Now the car's in the shop and my tooth's on fire. Feels like I kissed a live power wire. My wallet's thin and my patience expired, and my love life's floating in a flat spare tire. But I still got my boots and I still got desire, though the car's in the shop and my tooth's on fire. Payday came, but the boss shorted me. Said we're all struggling, you see what I mean? Dentist said, son, I got no room, so I'm sitting in pain, humming out of tune. Then my ex called just to throw a jab. Said her new man's rich, drives a fancy slab. Yeah, the car's in the shop and my tooth's on fire, and I'm howling like a hound on a barbed wire. If life's a rodeo, I'm riding the bull with a flat beer can and a hard half full. But I'll make it through this redneck quagmire, though the car's in the shop and my tooth's on fire. But I heard Mama's voice say, dance through the rain, don't let this world drive you insane. So I grabbed my guitar, tuned up a string, said let's turn this pain into something I sing. Now the car's still broke, but I'm feeling fine. Got a whiskey smile and a real good line to tell my luck, go take a hike, I'll keep on rolling on this busted bike. Might be limping through smoke and barbed wire, but I ain't dead yet, hell, now I'm on fire. Yeah, the car's in the shop